going forward, what I want you to do, tomorrow I want you to hit balls, get out, I want you to hit a bucket of balls and work on these same things. Make sure that your posture is good. Tonight at home, I want you to get in front of a mirror and check your posture. Watch and see what the difference is, so you can see, like we looked at on video, when you get your knees underneath you versus when you get your butt up and back in the proper position. Notice what that does for you, and then just get some good rotations in from there so that your body has good flow. All right, so I want to talk about how to practice. We want your practice to mimic playing conditions as much as possible. The more you can make your practice look like your competition, the more that it's going to translate. The hours and hours you put into it, the better and better you will get. If you're just out there practicing repetitions, hitting 20 chip shots to the same pin, not changing clubs, target, anything, taking your time, are you really getting better? Okay, I've seen you practice. That's what I've noticed, is that it's all repetition, the same shot over and over again. So what we want to do is start to change that. And I want you to pay attention when you go out and practice your short game. Today we're working on your short game, so it's a great chance to talk about how to practice. So the way I want you to practice: one ball, putter, and a wedge. You can bring multiple clubs to chip with, but just a club to hit your chip shot with, your putter, and your ball. Okay, what we're going to do is you're going to pick out one of our targets on our short game area, toss the ball wherever it ends up, you play it from. And then you can challenge yourself. You can say, okay, you know what, I'm going to do 9 different up and downs and see how many times I can get it up and down. Get a score. Find out what your best is. Constantly challenge yourself to shoot a lower score. You're going to put yourself in different situations so that you learn how to read different lies, like we were talking about earlier, how to read the lie, and you'll get so much better quickly that way. Another great way to do this is go out with one of your teammates, or grab me. We'll go out. We'll each have a ball. This is what we always called hoop and scoop when I was growing up. We would have 2 balls, and let's say I'm picking the hole. We're going for this flag over here. I would take both balls and I'd throw them. And wherever they ended up, you played them from. If I threw them into a tree and yours bounced back on the green and mine was stymied behind the tree, you got to play it. We play match play. You can play stroke play, however you want to do it. But one ball, a putter, and a wedge. That way you're replicating what it's like when you're out on the course. When you're out playing on the course, you don't get to hit the chip shot twice. So why would we practice consistently hitting multiple shots to the same target? Constantly change the target, make it as real as you can, realistic as you can with your practice. You'll get better and you'll see faster improvement on the golf course.